Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going Q3 of the weekly contest 400 lexicographically minimum string after removing stars. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. So there are a couple of ways to do it. This one, I worried a little bit about the constraints though. After the contest, I saw that some solution did it in a more naive way and it was still fine. I guess it is what it is. You never know Leetcode anymore, and sometimes you need optimization, and sometimes you get penalized for the optimization because you have to spend more time doing it. I don't know. But the key thing is just to that I did is just by simulation, right? It's just that when you get a star, you take the part that is greedy is the idea is exchange argument, meaning that okay. I mean, every instinct, and you could probably play around with some instance, but let's say you have something like, something like this. When you get to this star, you always want to. So the idea here is that okay, then now you have a lot of choices, but let's actually look at just two of them for now, which is this one and this one. Pretend they're arrows, right? So then if you remove the one from the left, then you get this. And if you remove the one from the right, you get this, right? And so you can see that removing the one from the right is a better choice in this particular case. And you can kind of actually repeat this for all the adjacent A's, and you'll see that you always want to move the rightmost smallest character. And that's really all there is. Like I said, apparently you could do for loops and it'll still be okay. But once you have that idea and doing it carefully, it is fine. As long as you're smart about it. But yeah, the way that I did it is a little bit funky, but maybe not. I don't know, not sure. But basically, I keep track of all the indexes of all the characters, or yeah, by the rank. So for every time I see a character and the index, let's go over the regular character first. Then I just append it to the index, and if the, of character C, and if it has one element, which means that it went from 0 to 1, then I push it into the heap, right? Because this always adds 1, so if this adds 1, that means that it used to be 0. So we put in the heap. The heap gives us, basically what I did it is just to give us the minimum character that is, so that we could keep track of the minimum character that's still findable to the left of the star, because then once you start removing, you might not have any more, right? So this is what I did. I did the smallest, so it gets us the small the earliest character, right? And then here we pop, which is the last. So pop gives us the last element and also removes it, so it just gives us the thing, and then we add it to a thing called skip, right? And here, if we still have elements in this, then we push it back under the heap. Otherwise, then now the next time it'll go to the second, or what was previously the second smallest, because we ran out of A's, then we'll go to B's and so forth. And then at the very end, we just kind of put it back together again. If it is not a star, because we already handled all the stars, and if it's not in skip, then we just append it to the answer, and we just combine it all together at the end. This is an O of n loop, and in each loop we do 2 heap operations, but these heap operations are actually on O of 26, right? Where or O of alpha, where alpha is 26, alpha being the size of the alphabet. So this is actually pretty fast. I want to also say that I've seen solutions that's O of alpha times n, which is 26 times n. Basically, instead of getting the min, you just do a for loop. I guess it's not technically 26 because you have early termination generally, but yeah, that's how big O works, right? So this is slightly faster, especially with overhead is not, but I don't know. Big O is going to be bigger in terms. So that is your complexity of n times log A or log alpha. This is O of n time and O of n space. This is O of n time and O of n space, and that's all. And skip as well, I suppose. And yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and you can watch me solve a live in contest next. This one, I feel like I should have been faster, but maybe it doesn't matter because the servers don't work. All right, well. and the smallest 9 to its left. We should delete A on the A's. The smallest 9, okay, character, there's no string, okay. Let's see. And as soon as we see a star, we want to get Can we go to the from right to left now? I mean, you can, but do you always want to remove the one to the mouse to the right? I think so. So yeah. We do stuff otherwise. Okay. Okay. No, that doesn't make sense. I'm really being slow today, to be honest. And I'm just doing a little bit premature optimization, probably. I'm doing this in a dumb way. Yes, if I can test this. Removed A, but it did not remove the star. Oh, right. Let's see if these work. 723. Okay, let's give it submit. Unknown error. What is this? 210. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.